Alright, this is how to connect Samsung that has audio return channel, also known as ARC, to Soundbar that has ARC, or any sound receiver that has ARC, that ARC feature. Alright, so what you want to do is back here, you can connect it to HDMI out. Let's say this is the receiver. This is the receiver is built into the soundbar. So HDMI out goes to the ARC input right here where it says ARC. It's input 2 on the Samsung TV. That one right there. And it's usually labeled ARC. It's either HDMI 1 or 2. When on Samsung TV, it's HDMI 2. Alright, so what that does is eliminates the need for the optical out, which is like right there. This is optical out. It's hard to read that. And then also there's another audio output. I think another audio output is right here. Right here. So there's a couple audio outputs on this TV. Alright. And then on this it says TV ARC, audio return channel. So that HDMI cable is now like a high def audio cable. So let me go ahead and show you on here. And I taped a double-sided tape on this. Here are the other features, because this remote doesn't have all the buttons this does. So you want to hit is settings. You want to go into menu settings. When you hit settings, it pulls up this. Then when you hit left, hit settings, and then left. And then if you hit up, it turns that off. Digital 1 is the optic cable. We're not using that, so we're using ARC, which is the HDMI. And then hit select to save it. So now it's set to ARC. Now hit settings again, left, left, system. You want to have that on so you get this. So now it's communicating with the TV. The system's communicating with the TV because that setting is on. Then hit settings again, hit left, left, okay, and then left again. Power control, you want to set that on. So the TV, it'll tell the soundbar to turn on and off and synchronize with so when you turn off the TV, soundbar should turn off. Turn on the TV, soundbar should turn on. If it doesn't, just hit power on here. I also programmed your audio button right here. You can see. So that works as well. The sound button just gives you like extra sound on the soundbar. I had that on. Hit settings again, left, 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 power controls on, and then I had that on, and pass-throughs off. So those are pretty much the settings that you really need necessary for the ARC settings. And then for the TV, alright, for the TV remote, you want to hit menu. Make sure it's set on here. Go down to system. Go to the right, and then down. And then down, down, down. AnyNet. So on AnyNet, hit select. See, now this activates and deactivates that right there. That's the AnyNet communicator. Communication between your devices. And then this right here, auto turn off. It basically the TV tells the soundbar to turn on or off, or any surround sound receiver. And receiver on. See, control audio receiver by AnyNet. So you want to have these settings on. And added that. So let's go ahead and turn everything off. So I got this all programmed. Hit TV power. And see how the TV turned off the soundbar? To turn that on, hit TV power. Alright, TV power. And then that'll blink, and that's So now it should turn on the soundbar, but I guess it's not 100% compatible. So what you're going to want to do is, actually I programmed it on this remote auxiliary button, the aux button. Hit aux, and then power, and now it turned that on. Now there's two ways to do the volume. You can do the volume on the, see how you hit audio, aux, and then volume up. That controls the volume. Or you could do TV and aux, because now the TV, you'll tell the soundbar to go up and down volume. So the TV volume control is controlled. It's going bypassing through the TV speakers, and it goes straight to the soundbar. All right, and that's it. And again, if you switch it to anything, hit TV, then video source right here, and then hit video source again. Oh, it's not on. But let's say you turn on your DVD player. Whatever devices are plugged straight into the TV will output to the soundbar. So it doesn't matter, HDMI 1, 3, 4, audio, you know, anything that's connected straight to the TV, the audio output to here. As long as this is on TV Arc. And that's it.